Is it me, or do you notice something different? Maybe it's a new shirt I have, I don't know. Obviously, it's the hair. So I'm wearing a hair system from Lavivid Hair, lavividhair.com. This video is in partnership with them, and I highly suggest using their hair units if you are looking to get one. Also, by using code TheSalonGuy, you get 15% off your purchase. So definitely check out lavividhair.com. The reason I'm really excited about this video and about this particular system is, one, finally, somebody who maybe, is middle-aged or a bit older and they want to look more hip, more cool, and they wanted to have hair longer than they've had before, but they had no options, or their hair just obviously wasn't growing out on top, and who wants to grow their hair this long on the sides and just have it where, the top is bald and all the hair comes down this way. I mean, if you want to, it's fine. But I'm really, really excited about this unit. So there's a few things I want to go over today. Now, the actual hair itself. This is a poly base European hair. It is 100% real hair, and the method used to make this is called injection. So it was an injection method, which means one by one, each hair was implanted into this poly base to make it look the most natural possible. So let's see if we can get a little bit up nice and close right into here to take a look at the scalp, or at my scalp, as you can see. And I didn't cut this, I didn't cut the base or anything like that, but I'm going to be giving this away as well to one lucky person. And how do you win this? This is a very, very high-end, expensive unit that you could be getting for free. How do you get this? One, follow Lavivid Hair on Instagram, take a screenshot of it, DM me that screenshot that you followed them on Instagram, TheSalonGuy, and then you must be in the United States, and you need to be wearing a hair system, or you've got, gray hair or something like this color, and you wanted to try this. Because this is something that I really think, someone who's deserving of this, not you want to do something for, Comic-Con, or you want whatever. I really want this to go to somebody who this is going to change their life because of the look. And I feel like I look like some actor. I don't know what it is, but is it like Keith Urban or something? I don't know, but so I didn't cut this at all, and I think it's pretty much cut into its own style as it is, which is nice. If you were to get this cut, I wouldn't really do too much to it, to be honest with you. Another cool thing about this is that you can put it into a kind of a man bun or a ponytail like this, which is really cool because the back it's fairly long, so you're able to put it up into a man bun. Now, if you did want to have an undercut haircut, right? You wanted to rock an undercut haircut, you could. I mean, check it out. This is kind of what it looked like if you wanted to wear some sort of cooler style like this. All right, so a great option for somebody who is looking to have a much cooler look and a much hipper look. Now, when it comes to gray hair, you could get gray hair at any period in your life. But I don't really see too many 20-something-year-olds walking around with a full head of gray hair. So, who would this work for? Obviously, it's going to work for somebody who's got, gray hair or salt and pepper at least. But you need to have something. You don't want to have black hair and then put this on top of your head. Or if you, like me, you cut it really, really short, like this, and you have an undercut. This is like The Witcher. This is The Witcher's haircut. Yes, isn't that? This is The Witcher. It's so cool, right? Oh man, or someone from like Game of Thrones. I feel like somebody from Game of Thrones. But anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think of this. It's super, super high quality. I just want to give some options on different ways you can wear it. Now here's our friend who is in a lot of our videos. Let's just put it on him so you can see. It's a great option. Again, if you're like just want to be hip, man. You want to have hip hair. You want to do something that's a little bit different. You know, I'm going to leave this as is. I'm not going to cut this because this is something that I think, because it's so precisely done, and I don't want to cut it to, you know, not fit somebody's head. But, you know, if you are attempting to do this yourself, just, you know, be very, very careful. Watch my other videos on how to cut the hairline, how to do other types of you know, methods when cutting, because you don't want to mess this up, right? Again, you can wear this as is. It's the hair quality. I mean, this is like silk. It's like silk. So, all right, don't forget, follow the instructions that I mentioned for the giveaway. I look forward to giving this away to somebody who is really deserving of it and who can really make good use of it. And also check out lavividhair.com. Use code TheSalonGuy, all one word, for 15% off your order. They also offer and sell a number of tools and things needed for maintenance and actually care for the system and for applications and a number of other things. So they offer a lot of great stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.